Hey guys, Casey Sangamon from Junction City, Oregon. Guarantee RV out on this beautiful spring day. I'm here today. I want to show you this 2017 Forest River EVO 2360. Let's walk around up front. Up front you've got the nice textured up here to help with road debris, rock chips as you're towing it down the road. Of course, you've got a nice full pass-through storage here. Keep all your goodies in there. This trailer does also have electric stabilizer jacks. Makes it a lot easier once you get there to get set up, a lot faster. We all want to get camping. Of course, you got the full length or almost full length power awning. Nice outside speakers, so you've got some noise and some music to play when you're out there. Coming around the back, you'll notice it does as well have a ladder, so you can get up and do the ever important roof inspections. Also spare tire on the back, obviously. If you ever need it, it's easy to get to. Let's go on inside and take a look around. Coming inside, you notice you walk right in and there's a lot of room back here in the back. Great seating area. If you're looking to entertain or camp with a big group of people, you can fit plenty of people in here and still have a good conversation with the opposed seating. The nice booth dinette, or the wraparound booth dinette, does fold down into a bed. It's long enough that even a taller adult can sleep here, which is always nice. Your sofa here is a jackknife sofa, so it does fold down flat, where you can sleep another one there. Plus, it has this nice big drawer under there. So extra blankets, sleeping bags, pots and pans, whatever you may want to put in there. Nice size kitchen in this particular model. Plenty of counter space. Counter space is always tough. Counter space and storage in the trailer. This one has a lot of counter space. Nice big sink with the actual solid surface sink covers. Okay, nice cabinetry. Look at the cabinetry in this. It's nice. It's dark. Nice glass inserts. Looks really good and modern. Plenty of storage all the way around. Okay, cabinets all the way around. A couple of drawers down here. Already got the dividers for your silverware. Of course, more pots and pans down there. Even down here below the stove. Stove, of course, you've got a nice 3-burner stove with an oven, all stainless steel hood vent, and of course your microwave. The bigger fridge and freezer. Keep all your cold stuff cold. Great pantry space. Over on this side, plenty of space for all of your food, chips, whatnot. Coming forward, you do also have, I guess, also storage underneath the dinette rather, with doors, which a lot of them don't have. Doors on both sides makes it a little easier to get into. Entertainment system here. You've got your TV, your stereos over here, DVD player, radio, again inside outside speakers. Coming forward, the bathroom, very spacious bathroom. Again, storage, lots of storage in that bathroom. Nice corner shower, plenty of room, with the drawer, or with the sink rather, inside. Into the bedroom, the front bedroom, you do have a queen size bed. Nice shelf up here for folded whatnots. You've got hanging wardrobes on either side. You do have power on both sides of the bed and a nice USB charging station here, 12 volt directly off the battery. Of course, again, you've got tons of storage underneath. Does go all the way through to the pass-through outside, and the strong arms to hold the bed up, making it easier to get stuff in and out. Again, my name's Casey Sangamon. I would love to show you this trailer. If you have any more questions about this one or anything else that we may have in inventory, give me a call. My phone number is 541-953-9171. Look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.